Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 27th of May. Scorpio, your channel message is the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, Virgo. So the Six of Pentacles is donations, all right? It is helping the needy, all right? Maybe there's something about you working for the social sector, helping the needy, Scorpio. I'm getting you're the type of social worker where if people come to you and them don't have money, you'll give them money. You won't give them food. You'll give them money. I like you, Scorpio. I'm getting you're the type, if your sister somebody, for example, I don't know how much money you have, but I'm getting you work in a social sector. For example, Scorpio, to each is them own. I'm getting people will come to you and cry if them upon hard drugs and them a withdraw. And I'm getting you'll pay for it. You'll say, okay, here, don't ask me again. But here's it, because I know how it feel. Me say when me in a shelter, me say man, me say woman, big man will come out of prison, woman who do prison time, ball, me say them cry on the floor when them a go through withdrawal. When them upon hard drugs. Me getting you're the type of person you will take out money out of your pocket and give them. Right, because that's the Six of Pentacles. Or me getting you're the type of person, if you go to say you go to your local Tim Hortons, me getting you always buy two. And anybody who you see first, you give them. Because the Six of Pentacles is donations. But also getting the Four of Pentacles. That can also means even though you help people, you make people believe. Or maybe this is your situation, me getting you don't have a lot of money. But you have sympathy. And sympathy will bring you a long way, Scorpio. The Six of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles leads to the Ten of Pentacles, which is a lot of money. So I'm getting Scorpio, your blessings will not be forgotten when it comes down to the pearly gates of heaven. Your blessing will come back 10 times forward. Yeah, help homeless people. Okay, Scorpio, you're going to meet one. You're probably going to fall in love with a woman who loves you inside out. Me getting all of the good deeds that you've been doing for people and you never expect anything back in return. Me getting the blessings are going to fall upon you because you are genuine. We also have Virgo. Virgo rules the health, okay? Now, this could also be me getting your help out of Virgo. Because me getting the Virgo have Four of Pentacles, you have 6. And the 4 and the 6 leads to 10. So maybe you're helping somebody pay for something. Alright? Maybe you help somebody pay for medication. Alright? Or maybe you're taking care of somebody and Scorpio is not your job for do it. Me getting it was a Virgo's job for do it, but are you you're fronting the bill. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. First card out is the Five of Swords coming out first. The Five of Swords is usually I win, spite, or you were the smarter of them all, Scorpio. Me getting you playing your cards right, and me getting... By getting you knew that doing something would cause a certain outcome and you got the exact outcome that you wanted. We also have the Nine of Wands. Me getting everybody I follow you now. Me getting Scorpio, you were the one to put a coin in a homeless person cup. You were the one to be the listening ears to homeless people or to people who don't have. And me getting you're being awarded for your bravery, you're being awarded for your kindness, and now all of your co-workers, every single body wants to be a philanthropist right now. We have the Death card, yeah. Come getting Scorpio, you will see people on the ground that cry. And even though when you withdraw, some people die of withdrawal symptoms. Some people will go on the cardiac arrest. Sometimes this is not Miss Medical Advice YouTube. Good morning, YouTube technicians. I hope you're okay this morning. And I hope you had an awesome breakfast. Anyways, right? You have the Death card. Come and getting majority of the people who you work around, Scorpio, you know that they're in a dead end. It's a dead end. Like, and you know that when you're depressed, you don't have appetite for eat. That's why homeless people will choose substance use over food majority of the time. I remember when I was in homeless shelters, the whole day them are the drugs, and the night when them hungry and the kitchen cut off, them are argue about food. Yeah, because the whole day them depressed. That's why them do that. So me getting the debt card, you know these people don't have a me getting certain people, Scorpio. Yeah, Scorpio, this is you. Hello. Scorpio, yeah, me getting you know what, even if you never struggled before, me getting maybe you have come close to that, or me getting a clear sentiment. You understand how it feels to be at a dead end, even if you never been in a dead end position before, Scorpio. I'm getting everybody is following the leader. It takes one person to do a good deed and then everybody else follow. We also have the Nine of, yeah, see, the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups is an engagement. That's like somebody hear about the nice things that you've done and you never asked for. Scorpio, your blessings are going to come back to you 10 times fold. 10 times, your blessings are going to come back to you. You're probably single now and the only thing you focus on is your job. I mean, getting when you did a job, you're going in your pockets for help people. Me getting a very lenient. Me getting something about social work. Yeah. So all those good deeds where you do, you're probably just going to meet. Me getting Scorpio is like you're single and you work and you mind your business and all of a sudden you're going to fall in love with the woman of your dreams. Because the Nine of Cups is engagement. And some people might be like, Scorpio, you don't deserve it, you do. Me getting is the good deeds where you do, the universe decides to give you something good. One more, and we have the Knight of Swords. Yes, something moving fast. Because me getting for you, it's important for you to show that even though you're the death card and you look scary, sometimes deaths have leniency on people. Sometimes death don't take you away violently. It take you away peacefully in your sleep. Sometimes when people are very, very sick, they wish for death to take them before the sickness does. So me getting, you don't want people fear you. You want people to know that you're very much connected to the living as you are to the dead. The Five of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Wands. I'm getting Scorpio, you're not a person for sleep or I'm getting something about semen retention. I'm getting a man. I'm getting something about semen retention. I'm getting all your focus on is work, Scorpio. Work. I'm getting you not have sex, you don't care about no girlfriend, but I'm getting a relationship going to fall in your lap. It's just going to fall right in your lap when you're not looking. The Nine of Wands is clarified by the Five of Pentacles. See it there? This is the homelessness. I'm getting you work in a social sector. You work with homeless people. You work with the needy. And you have so much connection. Because you have two types of social workers. You have the social worker them who will put them nose up against homeless people even though them work in the social sector. And you have people like you who are very sympathetic because me getting you said to yourself, I don't know what them do to be here and me don't know what them karma is after here. See, Five of Pentacles, that's the homelessness. Me getting you kind to everybody, Scorpio. Me getting you kind to your parents, you kind to your friends, and even people who are homeless. Me getting you treat them like a human. You treat them humane. And me getting, you know, like how the homeless sector will move slow. Forget people irritated. Me getting you're a type of person. If somebody needs a service, you're gonna know. You give them results now. Me getting you really serving your community. The Death card is clarified by the Page of Cups. That's you, Scorpio. Because I'm getting people know you're a Scorpio and they see you as a Death card. But I'm getting this is who you are. You're very sweet, you're very gentle, you're very accommodating. I'm getting it's very, very hard for you to get angry. But when you do get angry, you see black. But I'm getting this is who you are, Scorpio. I'm getting a very, very attentive to sick people. whether they're sick on medication or them sick because of a withdrawal, me getting you very attentive to them. Whether it's a man or a woman, me getting you so attentive. Especially to people who feel suicidal. Me getting here. Are you all? Because I saw those jobs, you know those people who work on the suicidal line. Are you one of those people? Like you talk to people who call in feeling suicidal. Maybe you're a telephone operator for a suicidal line, Scorpio. The okay, wait. The 9 of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Scorpio, me getting a next relationship that gonna last like 3 to 5 years. But me getting you deserve it. Cause me getting, you're not nice to certain people, you're nice to everybody. Maybe you think about death a lot. And you think to yourself, what do I want to be known for when I die? You're being known for being a very kind person. And you treated everybody equally. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Fool card, yeah. When I say the Fool card ending the reading, I always get a sense of your soul will be transitioned to the rightful place when you die. This don't give me any vibe that you're going to hell at all. I'm getting, Scorpio, I don't know if you're the type of person when you see something on your job, you bring it home. I'm getting, when you're on the job, it stay at the job. And when you go home, you don't even think about the job because you're home. And you understand it's time for you to relax. And I'm getting, you say to yourself, if I bring the emotions at my workplace home, then I'm not going to be to my full potential when I go back to work. I'm going to have resentment. These fuckers stressing me out and I can't even sleep in the night. I'm getting you very, very good at differentiating work from your home life. Yes, when you're at home, you might talk about your job, or I'm getting you don't bring the emotions home. You leave it at work. A lot of people cannot separate them feelings from them job. I'm getting you can. I'm getting a relationship coming in for you. I'm not sure if you wanted that, but it's coming in. We have Virgo. Again, Scorpio. Cause me getting a Virgo supposed to be doing something and you do it. I'm gonna show you. Scorpio, we have 6 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, Virgo. We got the Virgo. Me getting something about your health, Scorpio. Maybe you're a healthcare worker. I don't know if you're working in a hospital. I don't know if you're an ambulance. I'm getting you will break the rules for people, Scorpio. And that's why you're favorited. We have illness, yeah, especially with people who have mental illness. People who you know don't, them not righted. You know them not have nobody. You know them on fucked up drugs. I'm getting you'll break the rules for them. You will if there's a cutoff time for clients to get certain things, after the cutoff time, if them ask you, you will provide a service for them. Because I'm getting you genuinely care about your job. We have Uranus, that rules rebellion. Yeah, I'm getting you will break the rules for people. Or again, you're taking on the burden of what a Virgo supposed to be paying for. We have Libra. Yeah, you might work for the justice system, or you work in a social sector. We have mental health, again, Scorpio. I'm getting you are the one who you're very lenient against people who have mental health, people who are depressed, people who are upon drugs. I'm getting you're connected to them. Maybe you're the type of person you've witnessed a lot of overdoses, so you understand how precious life is. You understand how people will trip out, them psyche will trip out and make them use for overdose. I'm getting you're the type of person you will provide a sense of belonging where people will stay and speak to you for an extra hour instead of going outside and using drugs. I'm getting you are somebody's safe space. I'm getting you provide people with a sense of, I'm getting them feel heard when them talk to you, Scorpio. They're talking to the dead. One more. And we have Shark. Scorpio, I'm getting you Every money where you ever spend, every time you ever had to focus on your job, when you wanted a relationship, you'll get it back. Don't worry, all right? I'm going to leave it here. Scorpio, until next time. Bye.